is so nice. Oh, you can see the flag of Saudi Arabia and a deer. And you can see there's a peacock. There's a peacock over there. And there's different kinds of animals. I don't know the other animal. Yeah. Look at that. It's so nice, you know. There's a tree at the center, and then they put a bench. Yeah, so nobody can enter this area where the flowers are. Yellow flowers, yeah, beside the Rocky Mountain. They water it every morning. Look at that. Oh, I wish I can have this kind of beautiful flowers in the Philippines. Ang ganda niya talaga, guys. Grabe. Nakakawala ng stress kapag ganito. Hindi naman ako stress. Stress na ako sa pera. Ganda niya, oh. Ganda talaga niya. Grabe na ito. Ang ganda-ganda talaga dito. Grabe. Grabe na ito. Sa kabila, 3 PM pa daw ang open. Nakakainis ang si brother.